Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you or explain to you how you can use ghost feed on TradingView. This is like my interpretation, so don't like be oh my god, he knows what he's talking about. Sometimes I do, sometimes I'm not that sure, but I hope that I will explain it good. Now, from my perspective, when I'm going to click here and I'm going to click ghost feed, this is just for the planning from my perspective, right? So this would be just for the planning and what you can actually do with it. So you can place it in order to show which direction you think the stock will go versus where it actually goes. So that's how you actually use it. So when I'm going to delete it and I'm going to click here, and I can just like take it from here. So I can move it, right? And that's how we can do it. That's how we can work with it, right? So that's the option, what you can do with it and how we can work with it. From my perspective, right? So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If it didn't, I'm sorry. But I tried my best. Anyway. Have a great day and goodbye.